At this point, you know what your topic should be and why simplicity matters. But knowing what to do isn't enough. The real challenge is actually following through and recording the video. A lot of people stop right here and they watch a video like this. They feel motivated. They think about what they're going to make. But then the plan stays vague. Oh, I'll record my first video sometime this weekend. That sounds like a plan, but it isn't specific enough to create action. If you leave the plan vague, your brain will keep postponing the uncomfortable step of filming. Saying, I'll record sometime this weekend gives procrastination an easy opening. Saturday comes around and you're busy. Sunday shows up and something else comes up. Then the next weekend arrives and the idea slowly fades away. Fear of being on camera can quietly delay your progress for weeks or even months. And most people never even realize that it's happening. But a clear commitment changes everything. When you decide, I'm going to film on Saturday at 10 a.m. in my living room, and I'm going to record my first video, that clarity removes hesitation. It stops the negotiation. The decision is already made. So now you know you're going to talk about your favorite thing. I want you to set a date, set a time, set a location of where you're going to record this video. Even with a plan in place, there's still one obstacle that almost every new creator runs into before filming their first video. And it's the same thing that stops thousands of people from ever starting their YouTube channel. The moment you sit down and turn on the camera, for most people, the first reaction is awkwardness. Talking to a camera for the first time feels uncomfortable and unnatural. You're sitting alone in a room, speaking to a lens. There's no audience reacting. There's no feedback. It's just silence. That discomfort often triggers hesitation and doubt or procrastination. You start wondering if you sound strange. You start wondering how you look. You might even question whether you should be doing this at all. And the longer you wait, the bigger and scarier that first video begins to feel. But here's the truth. Every creator you watch today went through the exact same moment. Nobody starts comfortable. The only difference is they recorded anyway, because every creator who succeeds eventually has to push through that exact moment of fear. The quicker you can film, record, edit, and publish your first video, the easier it's going to be for you to take the second and the third step, which is going to lead you to growing your YouTube channel, and you can actually make a massive change in your life. And when that hesitation shows up, it helps to remember something most new creators forget. Why is your first video actually worth sharing in the first place? That thought stops a lot of people from ever pressing publish. Many people hold themselves back because they assume they don't have anything valuable to say. They believe someone else is already more experienced or more knowledgeable or more qualified. But every person has experiences and knowledge that could help someone else. The way you explain something might connect with someone who didn't understand it before. Your story might resonate with someone who feels exactly the same way as you once did. And the only way that connection happens is if you share your stories. Because if you never publish your videos, the people who need that perspective never get the chance to hear it. Publishing your first video is how you begin reaching these people. So whenever you feel that little bit of resistance, remind yourself, you have a special message to share. You have so many experiences and so much knowledge that other people can benefit from in the world. So don't hold yourself back. Allow yourself to put yourself out there and reach the kind of people that you can make a difference with.